person. How? Mama,
You just work bolts in until it.
But how did you get the bolts in?
I just needed to get one and I got all.
Was there a point at which it went?
I had to slightly
jiggle.
I got one bolt, the number 4
Mm-hmm.
nut and bolt. That's the long one we didn't take out.
Right.
I got that first locked. Then I was aligning it with lifting one hand and aligning the bolt here. I got number 8 in.
Right.
Once that is done, all is done. Because you got
ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
less second line. Every time it will be different.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು
It's all depending on the gearbox angle.
Yeah,
If you had a right jig,
Yes,
it will just
of course.
no need to
Yeah,
calculate anything.
transmission jack, all that would be easy. Alright, let's finish this. You torque it up and
Yeah. Now it's your part.
come on.
Torquing it. Using your
Using your compressor.
which is
ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಅದೇ.
ಅವ್ನು
So we
ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ
need to put
ಮಾಡಿ
the
ಯಾರ
rest of it.
ಬೈಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ we're not reducing.
I like working on cars. ಬರ್ಬರ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬೇರೆ
ಕಾರ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ಬರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ಬರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನು
How many more?
ನೀ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬರ್ಬರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ
2 are from
You
that
have to
side.
have
Those
a-
are Allen's.
ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಇರೋ
Actually, the top ones
all
are
the tools are electric.
Those are Allen.
1 and 10
All the tools are
One
electric.
is there in place.
ಸೊ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡು ದಿಸ್
2 ಇದೆ
No, it just goes. It doesn't do it.
ಅದೊಂದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫೇಕ್ ನಾಚ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ
What is that?
Plus 2.
2 are quick. Put hand and then go have a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Like how I do on
ಕಾಫಿ
the ship.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
I'm not. This is
No,
like
you
the
should
ship.
no, for
Okay.
having put
Wait,
it
did
in,
you
you
just have
relax.
coffee?
On the ship, that's how I am.
Just continues.
Chief engineer. I solve the problem, I go and have a cup of coffee, you guys finish the work.
It's like, yeah, okay, closer up.
Yes, now he is the chief surgeon. The rest of you are all.
So is there such a thing as a chief surgeon?
There's like
An administrator.
chief medical officer.
Here, 16s here.
I know, but this is the 38th.
316 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Uchakada,
This is-
Joang, I tell you.
What is this? 10.
Oh, that's the top. You have last use of this for a while?
Next is weddingly, he'll be doing that. You wanted that as his wedding
Hopefully,
gift.
by the time I come back, you'll be done. Yes.
I hope so. I hope to get it done this weekend or next. What?
Yeah, when
The
I'm
whole
there,
deal. No, I'm saying the
I
whole
can
deal.
help.
The car?
Yeah.
I hope to get this thing put in this
I
weekend
thought
or
you
next.
just put it in and it's done.
And then, yeah, it is.
What?
But
After
then,
that, there is so much more to connect.
Oh, you've already done everything.
yeah, he has to tighten it.
You have to tighten them all.
Oh, but if you're gonna torque them, there's no point of this.
No, I think there's a lot of thread in those things.
Okay,
For
we
the
need to
ticket.
get these 3.
Wait, so the splines mated and everything?
Yes,
Clearly, otherwise it
it's
won't
already
work.
in face to face.
They're like mostly tight already.
Arun Mama, Iron Man, note on muscle.
Here, here. Okay, I'll rotate. You see this rotate.
Good. It's sudden doubt ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ doubt ಅಲ್ಲ, just
Of course it will rotate.
it's in neutral, no?
Yeah,
Why will
it's in
it-
neutral, it won't
It will
rotate.
not rotate.
And then ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು this. There. Now.
No, I'll not do
There,
it.
right.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
that's
That's fine.
Okay.
It can not rotate if it's all the way in.
Yeah.
ಅದೇನ್ ಈ ಬುಷಿಂಗ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
See, Mom, I inherited your crappy skin.
Sorry,
I didn't
he
hear
has the
anything.
same crappy skin too, I think. ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್
Yeah.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಿನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜ್ವರ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ
I know, that's because of yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಾಲ ಉಜ್ರೆ ಶಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ವಂತ ಬರೀ ಒಂದ್ ಶಿನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
Yeah, it's just you.
ಶಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನಂದು no, that's because I had an accident long ago, very deep.
And
That
yeah.
alone, if is rubbed hard, skin comes off. Otherwise, I don't.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ರು skin ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Even Jagdish claims that first.
Anna, daddy was like that.
Jagdish says he can do nothing. If he touches his chin, it's peel out.
There are the two Allen molds which go this way, all the way from bottom this way,
Go for it.
and then there's half moon one.
Yes.
Those are the three you need to fit.
Yep.
If you want me to raise it, now we can raise it.
Yeah,
you
we
put
can
this
raise
belt.
That's probably a lot easier.
Yeah, put the belt so that it's not overhanging. I lift it and you can tighten the belt.
Tighten your belt. It's the belt of your country. The Indian oil added
So that.
when I was a kid. Because they were encouraging everyone to save on gas.
Yeah.
ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇದು ಬೈಸೆಪ್ ಕರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. For your shoulder.
Shoulder day.
Yeah.
No, but Shishir is more wider than you.
Who?
Usually you're muscular.
Yeah. No, but no, my actual shoulders are bigger than his. His back is looking bigger. My shoulder is bigger because I have more.
ಅದೇನೆ
Mass on the shoulder.
ನಿನ್ನ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಂಗ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ದಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲ, I don't.
He's like weekly.
It's not dappa. Shishir has much wider shoulders. If
What size shirts do you wear? Chest.
Medium.
42.
He just
44.
buys medium.
40.
Mine is large, huh? Because I wear 42. But that's just about a little tight.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ
Yeah, but you
large.
got massive shoulders.
I do not work out that much. Actually, I don't work out at all currently. How much can you squat?
What? I can actually squat is something that I don't do much because of my leg issues.
His knees.
Yeah,
His
I
knees got busted
torn
knees, man.
knees, but I do about 220 pounds.
ನೀನಾ
That's 100 kgs.
285. Or I could. Not anymore.
I don't do much of.
why are you not
leg.
doing any of the exercise?
I didn't have time on rotations. The schedule was just always weird, and by the time I got into a zone, the schedule would change.
Yeah, you may be able to do something in.
So I'm just gonna try to do some at-home stuff every day.
Or where do you have that kind of weight to that?
No, it won't be weights. It'll just purely be
Free
some
body.
like-
Free body weight.
ಸರಿ
Push-ups, sit-ups, air
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್.
Are you kidding? I'm sure some
Why
places.
is the hospital interested whether the doctor is going to be fit?
Well, no, I'm sure.
They need the doctors to be fit to be.
No. I'm
I
sure.
know that is able
I'm
to
sure
do-
some hospitals is like an employee benefit. Maybe they have like a local gym or something, but usually.
You just lift your patients for weight
No,
training.
nurses. do.
This is a bug!
Yeah, today there was that male nurse that I was like worried where he's gonna have to lift me.
No, they don't actually lift you.
No, he asked me to move from one bed to the
And
other.
if you're knocked out, they put you on the backboard.
Yeah. But he was like one big guy, one big Asian.
That's what they do in the.
Yeah, why don't they have like a winch to just...
They do for really fat people. They have an engine crane basically.
Yeah, they had one of these kinds of things there on the
I'm not
side.
even kidding.
I thought that it was the lifting the leg or something.
Oh,
It has this.
so Anil also texted me, using the hydraulic jack under the transmission will help a lot getting the housing aligned. I remember, we use the hydraulic jack. Oh yeah, that's just hydraulic jack is called, Arun. Yeah, but honestly, it took
Yeah,
25 minutes.
it's
And
just
yeah,
that-
luck.
It's just that if you got it the first time in the right angle, it
Yeah.
will just go like butter.
Easier.
No butter was involved in this particular
Oh
operation.
no.
No,
Wait.
Arun butter.
ಇದಾ ಇದೇನು ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಯಾವುದು? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಲಿ ಎರಡು.
ಎರಡು
These two.
ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Wait, the starter bolts are the wrong way, dude.
Huh?
No, they're
No,
not.
that's the right way.
ಯಾವುದು one this
Yeah,
way, one
that
that
is
way.
why. That's because that's the long bolt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓ ಅರ್ಧ ಚಂದ್ರಾಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇನಿದು ಒಂದು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ.
ಎರಡಿದೆ ಇದು.
ಹಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಚಂದ್ರ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅರ್ಧ.
ಹಾ.
Okay, go for it, kiddo.
Which one am I doing?
Those are hexes.
Okay.
I think
No, but why is there one more here?
8s, 6s.
Last time I think you guys missed one.
No.
There should have been one more Allen here, no? No? What's this hole here?
ಹತ್ತಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Ha.
There's a bolt right there. There's the half moon thing.
No, half comes here.
Yeah.
Where you tried that.
There ought to be only 10. Okay.
Then it's fine.
On Justin Baru Tegevaga, this guy whose video we followed.
Ah.
That guy does that stuff. He pretty much does only this stuff. He gets customer cars and he's like, someone is there. This won't smith and there ought to be this stuff. I mean, he works on cars which have been worked on before by amateurs. And not dead pan again. Yeah, someone's. This is not really that. We'll have to replace this and take this actane.
This is not stock. Yeah.
James and
ಹೌದು ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ.
Some of you guys have gotten on me for
And I have
not
my
saving this with an
lemma.
Allen key, so I'm putting the Allen key.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಜ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾನೆ.
There. It's it.
Good. ಈ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇ problem. ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ ಕೆಲಸನ.
ಎರಡಾಯ್ತಾ?
ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Yeah, but obviously not torque.
Oh, torque specs are for you.
ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ.
Yeah.
That's why it's called being high.
Yes.
ಹೌದಾ?
That's why people like it. It's like, yes, life is good.
Let's try and see if we can fight. I mean, like, still be high.
What are you talking about?
High ಅಂದ್ರೆ happy ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಲ್ವಾ? I can just see the wonderful. If I touch with my other hand, I can feel a little bit of my fingers. Some biscuit, better. I still can't feel any pain.
I don't even know what I'm talking about.
So why do they give Aleve and hydrocodone? Codone.
They want you to have all the answers wrong.
I'm trying to train you, Papa. Somebody asked you.
We sort of experience joy when you say, yes, I know that.
My son knows all this.